In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a drop-down list in Smartsheet. If you've ever set up a sheet and then realized your drop-down options need to change, don't worry, it's very easy to fix. I'll walk you through the exact steps and explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident making updates in the future. First, open your Smartsheet and locate the column that already has the drop-down list you want to edit. This will usually be a status column, a priority column, or anything where you select from a set list of choices. Move your mouse to the top of that column right over the column header. This is the gray area with the column name on it. Now, right-click directly on that column header. When you do this, a menu will appear with several options related to that column. From this menu, look for the option called Edit Column Properties and click it. This is where Smartsheet stores all the settings for how that column behaves. A window will pop up called Edit Column Properties. In this window, you'll see different settings, including something labeled Column Type. Make sure that the column type is set to Drop-Down List. If it's not, that means the column is using a different format, and you'll need to switch it to a drop-down if you want a selectable list of values. For this tutorial, we're assuming it's already set up as a drop-down. Once you've confirmed that, look for the box labeled Values. This is where all the options that appear in your drop-down are listed, each on its own line. To add a new option to your drop-down, click inside the Values box, move your cursor to a new line, and simply type the new value you want users to be able to select. After you type it, press Enter so it appears on its own separate line. If you want to remove an option you no longer use, click to highlight that value in the list, then press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. That will remove it from the drop-down options going forward. After you finish adding or removing values, you need to save your changes. Look for the button at the bottom of the window labeled OK, or in some versions, you might see Apply. Click that button to confirm and close the window. Your drop-down list is now updated, and any cells in that column will use the new set of options you just defined.